Hello everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to log out Snapchat from all devices. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to open or launch your Snapchat application and make sure that you're using the latest version of this application. So this is what it looks like. You can see here features and options, but what you're going to do now is to simply tap this person icon at the top left corner. And then here you have to look for the gear icon, tap this one, and then scroll down till you see this two-factor authentication. If you haven't set up this two-factor authentication, all you have to do is to click continue, and then you have to enable your two-factor authentication here by adding your phone number. Okay, and then once done, what you want to do is to simply go back and tap this two-factor authentication. So to log out your device here on Snapchat, all you have to do is to click this forget devices here. So lose access to one of your verified devices. So forget it. So you have to tap this one. And then here you will see all of the devices that you have linked to your Snapchat application. So what you want to do here is to simply click forget all devices. Okay, so once you tap this one, your Snapchat will be lagged out from all the devices that you have logged in. And that's how easy it is. So if you have found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and see you in our next tutorials.